Hello everyone. Today our topic name is cubic root of unity. This is very important topic. So watch the complete video to learn how to find the cubic root of unity. So see here. We have to find the value of 1 to the power 1 upon 3. This is the cubic root of unity. Cubic root of unity. 2 to the power 1 by 2 means root over 2. This is called a square root of 2. You know. See here, let 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to x. Clear? Cubing both sides. After cubing both sides, we get 1 is equal to x cube. That means x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. We write this in this way. 1 is equal to x cube. It is written as x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 means 1 cube. 1 is equal to 1 cube. We know a formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You know this formula. So using this formula we get x minus 1, right, into x square plus a into b, x into 1 x plus 1 square means 1 equal to 0. So this will be 0, this will also be 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We get x is equal to 1 from this equation. This is real root. This is real root. This is real value. Remember this, real value. Clear? But see here, solving the quadratic equation. How can we solve this equation? See here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Now we can find d. D is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. That means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. That means minus 3. Clear? See here. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus b plus minus root under d upon 2a. That means minus 1 plus minus root under minus 3 upon 2 into 1. That means minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota. We can write root under minus 3 as root 3 iota, right? Upon 2. There are two values here. See here. Or x is equal to what? Minus 1 plus root 3 iota upon 2. And x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 iota is equal to 2. Clear? We denote with the symbol omega. This is omega. And when we square this value, we get this value. So it will become omega square. Hence, we can say x is equal to 3 roots here, all roots here. All roots here, all roots are what? X is equal to 1 omega square. These 3 roots are called the cubic root of unity. Value of omega is minus 1 plus root under 3 iota upon 2. Value of omega square equal to minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. Hence we get 3 roots, 1 omega and omega square. Omega and omega square are imaginary roots. But one is real roots. The 3 roots here. There are some special properties of the cubic root of unities. we can directly use this property in solving the problem of competitive exams like NDA, JEE also. So see here, first property is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. This is the main property here, and we find more results from this this property. That means 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. 1 plus omega is omega square equal to minus omega. 1 is equal to minus omega plus omega minus omega square. Omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. We use this result in many ways and anywhere where this result have need to use, we use this result. Second property is 1 into omega, that means omega q is equal to 1. Omega q equal to क्या? Omega q equal to 1. Find the value of omega to the power 100. Right. Solution here. How to find the value of omega to the power 100? Always remember here, omega to the power m is greater than 3, then we divide m by 3, we divide this power by 3, remainder is r. Focus on remainder. Quotient, what type of quotient we get, what quotient doesn't matter, but focus on remainder. So omega to the power m equal to omega to the power r. These values give you a final result. Hence omega to the power 100, divide 100 by 3, we get a remainder 1. 3 3 ja 33 ja 99 and 100. 1 is remainder, so omega to the power 1 equal to omega. Right? Find the value of omega to the power 200. Divide omega to the power 200, divide 200 with 3, we get the remainder 2. This equal to omega square. Right? Clear? So if you revise this topic, if you remember this result, you can solve many problems in examination. So like the video and share in friend circle and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.